Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Wood Ship model is probably one of the most rewarding hobbies you can pick up. It's a fantastic way to combine creativity, craftsmanship, and a deep appreciation for maritime history. Building these intricate models offers a unique blend of challenges and satisfaction, allowing you to create stunning replicas of historical vessels right in your own home. Get ready to embark on a journey of discovery and skill building. Number 5. Shipways 18th Century Longboat Wood Model Kit. This is a beginner to intermediate level model kit. It's perfect for adults who enjoy building and woodworking. It's a great way to enhance your skills. This kit was crafted by master modeler Chuck Passaro. The design offers an engaging experience for wood modelers. You'll enjoy the process of bringing this historical piece to life. The kit uses laser-cut basswood and other high-quality materials. It includes brass strips, rigging lines, and cast metal parts. All the materials are carefully selected for authenticity and durability. The design is based on a contemporary model in the National Maritime Museum. Every detail, from the planks to the rig, is faithful to the original. It's a true representation of maritime history. The kit comes with 2 sheets of plans and a 20-page illustrated manual. The instructions address every detail of construction. You'll find the process clear and easy to follow. The model's dimensions are length 11 to 3/4 x height 10, with a scale of 1/48. This allows you to create a detailed and accurate replica. It's a rewarding project for any model enthusiast. What we like. This kit is perfect for those looking to hone their woodworking skills. It features true plank-on-frame construction, allowing you to build it like the real thing. If you are looking for a historically accurate model with detailed elements, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Before jumping head-first into a big complicated model, choose a simpler yet beautiful model like this. It offers an opportunity to learn the techniques you'll need later and gives you knowledge of reading plans and the steps to build a wood boat model without losing your mind. The quality of the parts is excellent and the finished product will leave you satisfied. The laser cutting is top-notch, so there is no difficulty getting the parts out of the sheet. Model Shipways has always produced great kits. They are not for beginners but are well made and produce very good models. Number 4. Occre 12005 HMS Beagle Scale Modeling Kit. Introducing the Occre 12005 HMS Beagle, a detailed scale modeling kit. This kit allows you to recreate the iconic HMS Beagle with precision. This kit is designed for enthusiasts who enjoy the art of scale modeling. It provides a rewarding experience for those who appreciate historical accuracy. The HMS Beagle kit is a great way to build a beautiful model. It's a fantastic project for anyone interested in maritime history. Please note that this kit requires assembly. The process is enjoyable and results in a stunning finished model. The package weighs 1.72 kilograms. It contains all the necessary parts and instructions to complete the model. What we like. This kit offers a detailed scale modeling experience. It requires assembly, allowing you to immerse yourself in the process. If you are looking for a challenging and rewarding project, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The instructions are excellent and there are a good number of detailed videos online. First, the quality of the wood is excellent. This is a great kit, high-quality wood, and great instructions. Number 3. Lowell Grand Banks Dory Wooden Model Ship Kit. This model features true plank-on-frame construction, just like the real thing. It provides an authentic model building experience. Build it with pride. The kit includes high-quality laser-cut basswood parts. These parts ensure precise and easy assembly. You will be amazed by the details. Detailed plans and an illustrated 48-page instruction manual are included. They guide you through every step of the process. Follow along and enjoy the build. Showcase your finished model proudly with the included wooden base. It's the perfect way to display your hard work. This base will make it stand out. Designed for entry-level model builders with a skill level 1 rating. It's perfect for hobbyists and beginners. Get ready to start your new hobby. The model is 10 inches long, 3 inches wide, and 1.5 inches high at a 1/24 scale. It is a great size for display. You will enjoy the finished product. Enjoy a worry-free building experience with a lifetime guarantee for lost or damaged parts. We are confident in its quality. You can build with confidence. What we like. This model is designed with beginners in mind, making it a great entry point into model building. It features precision laser-cut parts for easy assembly. If you are a beginner looking for a rewarding and easy-to-build model, you should consider this one. What people say. Instructions are well written and easy to follow. This kit is the perfect introduction to the hobby. It has a great instruction manual that has a lot of tips and takes you through the process. This was a great introduction to basic building techniques, came with very easy to follow instructions, and left me with a finished model that inspired confidence to continue learning with a slightly more complex kit, the Norwegian sailing pram. Number 2. Shipways MS 1457 CBT 18th Century Longboat Starter Kit. This model uses true plank-on-frame construction, just like the real thing. It's historically accurate and highly detailed, making it a museum-quality replica. You'll be amazed by the level of detail. This kit comes with everything you need to get started. It includes laser-cut basswood parts, tools, and paint. Everything is included to build a beautiful model. With full-size plans and a 20-page color instruction book, assembly is straightforward. Some modeling experience is helpful, but the instructions make it easy to follow. You'll enjoy building this model. We stand behind our products with a lifetime guarantee. If you lose a part or make a mistake, replacement parts are free. It's made in the USA since 1976. The model is a 1/48 scale replica, with a length of 11 to 3/4 inches and a height of 10 inches. It's a great size for display. The scale is 1/4 equals 1 foot. What we like. This kit includes all the necessary tools and paint, making it a complete package. It features true plank-on-frame construction for an authentic build. If you are looking for a model that provides everything you need to get started, you should consider this one. What people say. My first wooden boat kit. I was a bit adventurous in terms of the skill level, but the instructions help and the kit is well designed. This is the first to have every piece listed. The package had all of the parts and tools included and the instructions are good. Number 1. Black Pearl Golden 2023 Wood Model Ship Kit. Introducing the Black Pearl Golden version 2023 Model Ship Kit. This kit allows you to build a stunning replica of a famous ship. This model ship is perfect for fans of Pirates of the Caribbean. It's a great decoration piece, bringing a touch of adventure to any space. The model is built at a 1 hour 65-minute scale and measures 31 inches in length. It's a detailed and impressive model. Whether you're a seasoned builder or a beginner, this kit is designed for everyone. It's a fantastic gift or a fun project to enjoy. With detailed instructions and high-quality materials, you'll have a rewarding experience. You can bring this historical vessel to life. As a bonus, this kit includes 7 puppets. They add extra fun to the model. What we like. This model brings the iconic Black Pearl to life. It comes with bonus puppets, adding to the fun. If you like the Pirates of the Caribbean and want a stunning display piece, you should consider this one. What people say. The pieces are really good quality and fit together pretty decently. Quality of product and the instructions. Parts labeled easy to find. I'm enjoying it very much, also turning mine into RC, which isn't terribly difficult. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.